Guys, this is not financial advice, but I'm going to tell you about a crypto that right now, July 7th, 2026, is at a very, very low price. I've been watching this crypto since fall of 2025. It's the crypto called Crepe. Okay, now some people may pronounce it differently. I'm sticking with Crepe. The contract address is going to be down below. I will tell you that in October 2025, I heard in the spirit the Lord say, Crepe must not be slept on. Okay? Now, that's just a spiritual intel I received. That's not financial advice. You do not need to do anything with this information unless you feel the Holy Spirit quicken you personally about it. So, if you're interested in purchasing Crepe coin, first of all, notice that it's a meme coin. You most likely will not find it on major exchanges just yet. There aren't some. Personally, where I am purchasing is on my Trust wallet. I do not have a referral code or anything for that, but the Trust wallet app is totally free. So just go to your Play Store or whatever it is that you get apps if you feel led, and you can download the Trust wallet. You can also take a look to see if you can get it on Phantom or your Tangent wallet, etc. Okay, so Crepe coin, as of right now, it's at 0.401. Now that's pretty low because when I started to purchase in 2025, I purchased at twice that price. So I purchased at 0.402 and up. So I've been watching this carefully. I don't really know what else to tell you, but as a feeler, specifically me, I resonate with Crepe coin. Okay, now I'm going to give you a couple of price points that I have heard other prophets and prophetic voices share. I have been keeping track. I have my own personal list. And so I'm just going to share that with you here in this video. So again, these are price points. And again, pray about everything. Don't do anything just because I'm telling you. But here are the price points. 0.002. 0.01. That's a penny. Then there's 0.045, and then there's 0.05. Okay, so basically a nickel, 5 cents. Next price point, 0.1, that's 10 cents. Next one, 0.24, so that's 24 cents. Next, 0.25, that's 25 cents. And the highest price point I have heard so far from any prophetic voice on YouTube has been $1 for Crepe coin. Okay, so again, it's very, very low. I've been observing this and watching this for a while, so I'm just putting this on your radar. You decide if you want to do anything with this. I just thought I'd change it up and do a cool little video about this. Okay, a lot of cryptos are down and on sale. Think of it that way. And so I'm just giving you the heads up, okay? Contract address will be down below if you're interested. Again, not financial advice. See if you feel led or quickened to get any or not. Feel free to share this video, like, and if you want to get my introduction to cryptocurrency, there is a digital guide that I created. You can find the link down below. And if you want to get the prophetic price points, my original digital document that I have for you, it's still there. I will be working on the updated version, but the one I have down below in the description is updated, I believe, since February 2026. Okay, so anyway, if you're just new, that may be helpful to you. Again, if you're new to crypto, check out my guide down below to help simplify the terminology for you. But I would highly suggest that if you're not in crypto at all, what are you waiting for? You do not want the sting of regret when these cryptos and other things shoot off and skyrocket and people are being blessed because they applied their faith. Because see, faith is action. Faith without works is dead. Your faith requires action. Otherwise, you don't have faith. No offense. That's the truth, and you need to come to grips with that. So again, digital currencies is the way things are going. It's God's plan. He's going to do this. He's redeeming this, and he's going to use it for his glory. So don't delay. Start learning about crypto. If you want my guide, you can get it down below. God bless you.